This is the Blitz Tanto, a mini pocket knife by Bomber & Company. This is the bigger, beefier, straight-edge edition of Bomber's line of fully concealable pocket knives. Inspired by the infamous B-2 stealth bomber, one of the most innovative warplanes in history, the Blitz is engineered to the standards of military-grade equipment. At only 3.7 inches in length, the Blitz is constructed with 440 carbon black stainless steel. This stocky, compact knife is a tiny monster, small enough to carry in a coin pocket, but sturdy enough to take on any task you might throw at it. And like every knife in the company's B2 collection, the Blitz Straight Edge comes with a full lifetime warranty. It is engineered to withstand years and years of heavy use.
After a couple thousand years of development, the concept of the knife has come a long way. From a tool practically necessary for survival, it has grown into an art form. Across all platforms and industries, it is recognized as a basic need. Stripping away all the bells and whistles, we've come back to the roots. Nothing but genuine design, hard-working craftsmanship, and some of the world's best materials. We did the work so that you didn't have to. Introducing the WESN Allman. A couple thousand years of development, and we're still figuring it out. The WESN Allman.
Hi, I'm Steve Alhaj, founder and CEO of Massdrop. Massdrop is an online community for enthusiasts. We work with makers like Ferrum to create products based on discussion posts, polls, and feedback from our community. We're collaborating with Ferrum Knife Works and the manufacturers at WeKnives to create the Massdrop x Ferrum Falcon, a custom quality knife at a fraction of the price.
Hi everyone, I'm Elliot Williamson.
And I'm Chris Williamson.
And this is Ferrum Knife Works. Now my brother Chris and I have been interested in knives since we were very young. Our grandfather actually gave us knives when we were like 4 years old. But as I grew, so did my interest in knives. And by 2012, I was making folding knives in my garage by hand. I did a lot of research and tried to up my game. And by 2013, we had moved into this space. We purchased a CNC mill. I taught myself CAD, CAM. We were starting to have parts cut from sheets of steel and titanium by waterjet. And it laid the foundations of what we do here now. There's a level of build quality and material quality that we use that puts our knives at a price point that's out of reach for most people.
Some of our knives can be pretty expensive, up to $1,200 and even more depending on what we do. We've been searching for a way to make knives that can be at a more competitive price point with production knives. But in order to have that happen and maintain the quality and keep the manufacturing here in the US, we really couldn't find a way, so we had to expand our search.
I was really impressed with some of the high-end Chinese knife manufacturers that were starting to come online. And I started looking around and learning more about them, what their capabilities looked like. Because I needed to find a company that was going to be able to take my designs and have the same level of attention to detail and fit and finish that we do here. And I found that in WeKnife Company.
And the final piece was Massdrop facilitating the logistics and coordination between us, WeKnives, and the community. Working with Massdrop, we've been receiving feedback from their enthusiast members at all the various stages of the project, and we've ultimately really created a timeless product at an accessible price point.
The Massdrop Ferrum Falcon, hopefully the first in a line of great knives. It's 2.9 inches of S35 VN steel, full titanium frame lock, hardened steel lock insert, ceramic detent, cage thrust bearings, full titanium backspacer, milled 3D titanium pocket clip. It's a heck of a knife.
Massdrop has shipped thousands of community-inspired products, and we're excited to bring our collaborations to a new audience. The Massdrop X Ferrum Forged Falcon is only made possible thanks to WE Knives' exceptional manufacturing precision, Ferrum Forge's dedication to quality craftsmanship, and the Massdrop community for bringing this project to life.
Introducing the Retractable Scalpel Pocket Knife 2. This knife comes in billet aluminum, anodized in black, red, orange, violet, green, or blue. It's also available in an all stainless steel billet version. We have a go case to carry the knife, replacement blades, and the blade change tool. Who needs one? Anyone that carries or uses a pocket or box knife. Hobbyists who use X-Acto style blades, survivalists, preppers, hunters, or hikers, doctors, nurses, or other medical emergency personnel. Why do you need one? Scalpels are extremely sharp and very cheap. They cost between 22 and 35 cents each in a sterile pack, depending on quantity purchased. Don't sharpen your daily use pocket knife, change the blade. We're demonstrating the blade change right now. It takes between 10 and 15 seconds. We have a much more detailed video below. We would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you very much for your time.